Welcome to my channel. Let's study on living beings. Madhuri Dixit. Madhuri Dixit Nene is an Indian actress and television personality. She has appeared in over 70 Hindi films, attaining nationwide stardom that influenced Indian popular culture. Noted by critics for her beauty, dancing skills, and characters, Dixit was credited singularly paralleling her male contemporaries by leading star vehicles in a male-dominated industry. Her accolades include 6 Filmfare Awards from a record 17 nominations. In 2008, the Government of India awarded her with Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor of the country. Born the 15th of May 1967, age 57. Bombay, Maharashtra, India. Other names: Madhuri Dixit Nene. Occupations: actress, television personality. Years active: 1984 present. Spouse: Shriram Madhav Nene, M. 1999. 2 children. Awards, honors: Padma Shri, 2008. Born and raised in Mumbai, Dixit made her acting debut in 1984 with a leading role in the drama Abodh. After a few successive commercially failed films, she rose to prominence with the action drama Tezab, 1988, and established herself with starring roles in the top-grossing romantic dramas Dil, 1990, Beta, 1992, Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, 1994, and Dil to Pagal Hai, 1997. She won 4 Filmfare Awards for Best Actress for her performances in them. Her other commercially successful films during this period include Ram Lakhan, 1989, Tridev, 1989, Thanedar, 1990, Kishan Kanhaiya, 1990, Sajan, 1991, Khalnayak, 1993, and Raja, 1995. Apart from Dixit's mainstream success, she earned appreciation from critics for her performances in Prem Pratigya, 1989, Parinda, 1989, Anjam, 1994, Mrityudand, 1997, Pukar, 2000, and Lajja, 2001. She received the Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actress for playing Chandramukhi in Devdas, 2002. Following a hiatus, Dixit made a brief comeback by starring in the musical Aaja Nach Le, 2007, and acted intermittently over the next decades. Her highest grossing release came with the comedies Total Dhamal, 2019, and Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3, 2024. And she continued to gain praise for starring in the black comedy Ded Ishq Kiya, 2014, and the Netflix drama series The Fame Game, 2022. During this period, she primarily featured as a talent judge for dance reality shows, such as Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Madhuri Dixit was among the country's highest paid celebrities throughout the 1990s and early 2000s, and has featured in Forbes India's Celebrity 100th list since its inception in 2012. In addition to acting in films, she has been engaged in philanthropic activities. She has worked with UNICEF since 2014 to advocate the rights of children and prevent child labor, participates in concert tours and stage shows, and is the co-founder of the production company RNM Moving Pictures. Since 1999, she has been married to Shriram Nene, with whom she has 2 sons. I received a scholarship as a Kathak dancer when I was 9. I even remember that it was due to a dance performance that the first time my name appeared in the paper. I was 7 or 8 years old at that time and had performed at the Guru Purnima festival. And there was a journalist who was there and he had written this article saying that, this little girl stole the show. Something like that. I was over the moon. So dance gave me a sense of achievement, of worth. Dikshit received her education at Divine Child High School in Andheri. Apart from her studies, she participated in extracurricular activities, such as dramatics. Aspiring to become a microbiologist, Dikshit enrolled at the Satai College in Vailpale, Mumbai, where she studied microbiology as one of her subjects in BSc. However, 6 months after she had commenced her course, Dikshit decided to discontinue studies and pursue a full-time career in films. First feature film directed by painter M. F. Hussain. Hussain got fixated with Dikshit and watched her movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun several times, and was certain that he would make a film only with her. The film followed the story of Gaja Gamini, who appears in various incarnations as Mona Lisa, Shakuntala and others. Pukar was an average grosser, while the latter underperformed at the box office. Dikshit at a press meet for Yeh Raaste Hain Pyar Ke in 2001. In 2001, Dikshit starred in Deepak Shivdasani's love triangle Yeh Raaste Hain Pyar Ke opposite Ajay Devgan and Preeti Zinta. Upon release, the film met with largely negative reviews. Critic Gautam Buragohain, however, described her as the saving grace of the film, adding that she gives a delightful performance. Commercially too, the film failed to do well. Subsequently, Dikshit reunited with Rajkumar Santoshi for the social drama Lajja, 2001. Dealing with the issue of gender inequality, Dikshit played Janki, a theatre actress who gets premaritally pregnant. Anita Bora of Rediff.com wrote, Madhuri slips into her role as Janaki with consummate ease and dazzles us with a class act. The film was a box office failure in India but was an overseas success. Dikshit's performance fetched her a Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actress nomination and won her the Zee Cine Award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role, Female. Dikshit's first release of 2002 was the love triangle Hum Tumhare Hain Sanam opposite Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, where she played Radha whose married life blemishes when she gets obsessed with the career of her friend. A remake of director K. S. Adhiyaman owns the Tamil film Totter Chinnungi, 1995. The film took 6 years in making, with huge sabbaticals in between shoots due to several production problems. The film emerged moderately successful at the Indian box office. Few critics noted that the delay made the film look outdated.